Hello all. So, surprise, surprise, we're working on the little one-horse famous. This is going to be, I guess, this winter's project, and then there's a few others that need to come in and have various little odds and sods done to them, but going to try and make just a short little video here, and then I'm going to try and see if I can get some editing software, proper editing software, and see if I can just do like a 2-minute clip here, then add another one, so it equals out to like a, I don't know, my usual 10-minute video or something. But anyways, this never made it to any shows this year, 2025, because we had issues with it. And now we've got all the issues solved. First one, check valve in the fuel tank didn't really check valve anymore, so there's a new one there made that works now. And then the igniter ended up grounding out inside, so we weren't actually getting spark. So now all those issues are sorted out, done. So now it's just pull it apart. And from the little bit of information I found online, this is 1912, and this was, I don't know how we figure this, but it was a sprayer engine, according to the serial number, because we have brass connecting rod, and our serial number starts with a V. Oop, sorry, where are we? V, I believe 04591 puts this at a 1912 sprayer. I say I don't really know how that works, but it works, I guess. So technically, this should have the nice red hopper and the green flywheels. Whether we do that or not, I don't know, because we looked up paint and it's like $250 for a quart. I think we're going to need more than a quart to do both flywheels. No? Anyway, we'll decide that later, but so for now we're just little stuff here and there. So get the pulley off, oiler, muffler, just the little odds and sods. And being like the Famouses and Internationals, to the other side, cylinder comes completely off. That can all be cleaned up, painted. Do the sub base, flywheels if we can get them off the crank, stuff like that. But yeah, hopefully this will be at a show next year. All done up. Oh, and then we're going to do the same style cart for the Tom Thumb. So the little wheelbarrow cart, I guess, kind of call it. Because that was a factory cart, and I don't know if these had it, but I've seen enough of them with ones, so we're going to try and do it on this. So it'll look factory enough. Repaint the skid, because some of the battery boxes were black, some of them were green. It's just kind of one of those, I don't know. But yeah, like I say, all we're really doing right now is just a little bit here and there. Yeah. So I guess we'll make a playlist for this at some point in time, but for now this is just going to be the first little video. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more, I guess.